In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Yahoo email account. Whether you're using your computer or your mobile device, I'll be guiding you through this process step by step, ensuring a seamless experience. To begin with, if you're on a desktop computer, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox, whatever you're most comfortable using. For those of you on a smartphone or tablet, you'll want to open the Yahoo Mail app. Now, if you don't have this app installed yet, don't worry. You can easily download it from the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS devices. Having the app can make accessing your emails much more convenient, especially if you're frequently on the go. Now that you have your browser or app ready, the next step is to navigate to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. On a desktop, simply type in mail.yahoo.com in the address bar of your web browser and hit enter. For mobile users, just open your Yahoo Mail app. This will take you directly to the login page where you can begin the sign-in process. Here, you'll need to enter your Yahoo email address. This is the name you chose when you first created your Yahoo account, followed by @yahoo.com. Make sure you're typing it correctly, as any small typo can lead to difficulties logging in. After entering your email, you'll see an option labeled Next. Go ahead and click or tap on that to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to enter your password. Input the password associated with your account, ensuring it's entered exactly as you created it, with attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters. Once your password is typed in, you'll again see a Next button. Click or tap on this to move forward. At this point, Yahoo might ask you to complete a verification process, which is an important security measure to protect your account. This could involve entering a code that Yahoo sends to your registered phone number or email address. Simply check your messages or emails for the code, type it into the provided field, and continue. This step ensures that it's truly you attempting to access your account. Once you've completed the verification, if it was needed, you'll gain access to your Yahoo inbox. Here, you are free to read, send, and manage your emails just as you like. Navigating your inbox should feel intuitive, giving you access to all your important communications with ease. Thank you for watching this tutorial on signing into your Yahoo email account. Following these steps should make your login process smooth and secure. See you in the next video.